Watching Julia jump around, run around. What's she doing? What is she doing? Goodness gracious. What you'll be doing next year. Before we know it, you'll get your toe. He does little babies down here. He does little babies down here. Oh, la la la. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, you okay, honey?
I missed that one.
Maybe you better not jump on a chair anymore. Okay, while that's it. You have to jump easy so you don't get hurt. Yay, yay, yay. Look at my turn. Look at those piggy toes. Oh, wow. Well, what are you finding there? Not a thing. He's going.
I have my hands full.
Where are you going? Yeah. How about this one? Oh, well, let's put something interesting out there.